and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the description feature of the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you guys come on to the Beae website builders page, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. On the left side, you guys have all of the elements. Simply drag and drop the description feature, and then after that, you guys are going to see it pop up over here. So now on the right side, you guys can see all the options present in the description feature. You guys can change up the content type, you can change up the description type, you can also choose what is the maximum amount of words that you guys want to show. So to change up the content type, you can change it to HTML as well. You can also keep it as simple text. For the description type, you guys also have the options for it to be a short or a full description, and then below that you guys have the maximum words to show option as well, like I said before. Now up top, you also have the option for style as well. For the style option, you guys can change up the alignment, you guys can change up the text color, you can change up the typography, and then of course you can also change up the text shadow as well. So all in all, these are the features that you guys can definitely, and these can really make your descriptions look really good. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.